15 proven ways to boost laptop speed. Number 15, clear temporary files. Press Win+R on your keyboard. Then type in temp and hit enter. Delete all the files and folders in this window. Now close it, open it again. Type %, and hit enter. Delete all the files and folders here as well. And finally, search for prefetch and delete all the files there too. No! 14, disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup. Select your main drive. Check all these boxes and click on clean. Number 12, disable startup program. Press C, TRL plus Shift plus S to open up Task Manager. Then go to the Startup tab, sort by status, and disable all the apps that you don't need at startup. This will significantly speed up your boot time and improve your overall experience. Number 11, uninstall bloatware. Go to Settings Apps. Here you should uninstall all the unused and unnecessary apps, especially those trial antiviruses that keep running in the background. Number 10, stop background apps. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Turn off all the apps that you don't need running in the background. Number 9, turn off visual effects. Search for performance options. Click on Adjust for best performance, and then click on Apply. Number 8, update drivers. You can update your drivers through Windows Update, or use a free tool like Snappy Driver Installer to update all your drivers with just one click. Outdated drivers often cause slowdowns and system instability. Number 7, use an SSD if your laptop still uses an old HDD drive. Upgrading to an SSD can be the #1 way to speed up your laptop. You can get these for cheap online. Number 6, add more RAM. If you run apps like Chrome, VS Code, Photoshop, you should definitely upgrade your RAM to at least 8 gigabytes or even 16 gigabytes. Number 5, clean browser. Use a lightweight browser like Edge or Brave instead of Chrome. Also, regularly clear the history and cache of your browser and disable all the extensions that you do not really need. Number 4, use a lightweight antivirus. Avoid using heavy antivirus software like McAfee or Norton. They're not only expensive, but also very slow. Use Windows Defender or Malwarebytes instead. Number 3, keep your OS updated. Search for or check for updates. Click on Advanced Options and make sure you're getting all the latest updates to keep your system running smoothly. Number 2, use High Performance Mode. Open up Control Panel, Power Options, and choose High Performance from the drop-down menu. Number 1, this only applies to HDD drives, not SSDs. So type in defragment and then choose your drive and click on Optimize. This will reorganize your data for faster access. But remember not to do this on your SSD, as it will reduce its lifespan. And finally, if nothing else works, you can always reset your PC. Go to Settings, Update and Security Recovery, and then click on Reset this PC. Choose whether you want to keep your personal files or do a full wipe. Now, you have no more excuses. Go ahead and speed up your laptop.